This is the Takealong. It's constructed from 600D polyester that is water resistant and packs in features, options, and storage. You have a front zip pocket, two-way zip closure on the secondary compartment here with internal storage. There's some nice mesh in there. And your main compartment has two-way zip as well. Open it up, internal zip pocket on the back, and mesh organization pockets on the front, all over semi-padding. And here comes the options. You've got a carabiner to hang it on stuff with that patterned webbing, external pocket, and a nylon webbing strap. This can make the bag a belt bag or extend it out for a cross-body wear option, just like that. Or you can even remove the strap completely and make this an organizational pouch. You're taking it with you. You're taking it along. It's the Takealong.